What is the correct and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys just my game so far. I'm gonna be making it in this video. So this is pretty much what I have so far. It is not much. I've just been working on it the last few weeks. I know you're gonna be thinking the last few weeks for this is nothing, but keep in mind I've been doing like the models, the sound effects, the lighting, the code. I've been doing everything, so I'm trying my best to keep it that way. But if I can get a few people on board, I'll gladly do it. I may need some voice actors and shit, so I'll see down the line. But this is what I've added today. Sorry, you guys are gonna you guys are gonna have to watch it in a small little screen. If I do make it bigger, it gets really fucking laggy, and I do not know why. Also, I am gonna have to lower down the volume, so give me 2 seconds. Okay, there we go. Hey, you doing, Zinc? What's up, buddy? So as you can see, if I play it in full screen, it is just unfucking watchable. So I'm just gonna play it in minimized. Hey, you doing, George? Hey, you doing, IRA? You know what? I don't know why I'm sitting arseways with my fucking hand trying to reach my keyboard halfway across the room. So, okay. So what I added today was this. I added 2 enemies. So the main one is just this bitch, and then I made kind of like a transparent see-through version of her, which I think is pretty cool. It looks like a bubble, like the bubble thing from SpongeBob. Sadly, you can't push these. These are cemented to where they're standing. You cannot oomph them no matter how much you wanted. You could run into these all day and they're not going to move. The other bad part of that is if you're in a corner and they trap you, you're kind of fucked because you can't get out of it. So so in this video I'm just going to be making like a hiding system and how to make this bitch follow me. You can see her, she's white as fuck. So I'm gonna make it where she can follow me. Well, not follow me, but I'll make like a sneaking system. And if I make enough noise, she'll be like, he's over that way. Start running that way. She'll get to the location where I am. And if I'm not within like a certain, like, if she can't see me type thing, she will be like, you making a horror game? Nice. Yeah, I am, Wolf. So she'll walk over to the location, see that I'm not there, and be like, okay, and then continue patrolling. So first things first, let's make a sneak script. So let me just call this sneak. Probably spelt that wrong. Sneak. Yeah, what are you doing making like a small horror thing? I'm making a game. I want to make like a decent game. All my other games have been either like on Android or they've been like what are they called? Fucking game jolts. Not game jolts. That's where I put them up. Game jams. So I want to actually make a full proper. Are you drinking anything? I am drinking some cider. Yes, I am. I should have mentioned that. When I make games and when I code, I need to be drunk. For some reason, it's just how my brain remembers how to do shit. If I try to do it sober, I'm sitting here like a fucking vegetable, not knowing how to do anything. So I have been already drinking today, but not much. I've only taken like a few mouthfuls. And this is what you don't want to see. Fucking fatal error shit. I keep getting it. But I'm gonna try put this up on Kickstarter if I can get like, I don't know how much money. I don't know how much money like I should ask for. I've seen people put up games and ask for like 40, 50,000. I don't want anywhere near that. I just want like 300 or 400. Throw it up, and then if I get that, I'll throw it up on Steam. For the people who do donate, they'll get like the beta version to test it and let me know, like, oh, this enemy's too slow at this part. This jump scare would be better if lighting was like this, and then I'll be like, oh, okay, and I'll see if I can add that type of shit in. So hopefully this is zoomed in enough to where you guys can read it. If any of you guys do know code or any of that shit, and you think there's a simpler way of doing what I'm doing now, let me know. The whole main point of putting it up on Kickstarter is so I can try get it up on Steam. How you doing, IRA? What's up, buddy? I think I said hello to everyone in the stream. So, public float. A float is kind of like a not a whole number like 0 0.1, 0 0.2. That's what a float is. So float noise. That's nice, isn't it? Nice or noise? It'll be grand in the morning. I don't know how to spell anyway. And now I go if noise is greater than or equal to 1, what's it called? Play. I need to make another one of these. Public. I saw your comment 1 second there, buddy. Game up. Nope. I was right with the other one. Game object. And then a player location. I love your streams. They're just fun to watch. Thank you very much, buddy. I know yesterday's stream was Overwatch, and not many people like me when I play Overwatch. And this noise, I was thinking there was an S. That still looks wrong though. Adon Galactic. If noise is greater than or equal to 1, player dot location dot set active is equal to true. So the enemy knows where I am. And now I literally just go this and go if it's less than 1. I always get alligators wrong. So if I'm sorry, if I've got this wrong, I'm sorry, but we will find out now in 2 seconds. And if it's lower, it is false. So we will just test this real quick. It's not going to be like 100% working right now, but we'll just try it. Also, my fucking hierarchy is just bum rushed with fucking loads of shit, as you can see. If you guys have any like simple ideas for like books, not like huge, like detailed descriptions, but like something simple, because I do have a reading book system in the game, and all I have right now the book saying is Lost Village of Time and Space. That's what every book says. I haven't gone in and typed like stuff. So if you guys have like little like 20-30 second like little clippets of stuff you want to put in it, let me know. I'll try throw it in. I like Overwatch. I was playing with you yesterday. I know. I try my best to remember everyone's name. It is a bitch, but I try my best to remember everyone's name. So I'll throw this on my character, and now I need to go to player location, which is this, and plop that there. So right now, the best way to see if this worked, see if this worked. When did I close my window? I don't remember closing my window. But the easiest way to see if this worked is if the bitch is following me right now. Okay, she's following me. Which means it didn't work. Which means I put my alligators fucking backwards. Okay. There we go. Remember mine? Wicked, wonderful, wondered pearl, wondered pearl, something beginning with W. W-O-N-D, wondered. It was wondered or something like that. Keep in mind, I was drinking that night, so not everything goes across. Okay, so she's standing. No, she's still going for me. Okay, give me a second here. Okay, so let me just press play and see if this turns off or not. Do you have Hello Neighbor? I do, but I haven't played it. I have it, but it's just a really bad version. How you doing, Anthony? What's up, buddy? So let me set it to 1 and see if that turns off player. Yeah, you guessed right, started. Wait, this would also make sense. Have I made both of them true by mistake? No, one's false and one's thing. Okay, I'm really confused to why it's not turning it off. Let me try make the this like just 3, because that's definitely higher. I forgot how difficult you look. I forgot how different you looked from 2015. The what now? Okay, so that turned it off. So it had to be a good bit higher. So it turned it false if noise is greater or equal to 1. And if 1 is greater than noise, I still think I've done this wrong. If noise is greater than 1, it should be false. If noise is greater than 1, it should be true. And if noise is greater than that, it should be false. So now let me see if it worked real quick. I'm good, and how are you, Flan? I'm doing pretty good, man. I looked at the yesterday's stream, or the day before yesterday's stream, and I think YouTube have added a thing now where if you guys go back and watch the stream, you can actually see the comments beside it. If you guys can let me know if that's an actual thing or if it's just me that can see it. I tried to ask yesterday's stream, but no one got back to me. Also, I feel like since I've added this in, the game is getting a lot more laggier, and I don't know why. But oh fuck. Okay, so I didn't turn it off. Okay, let me. See, this is what I hate, guys. When there's something you know that should work and it doesn't, I'm just like, fuck. Okay, there, that worked. So, but it was. I'm really confused. But we have it working, but it has to be 1. Okay, what happens if I set it to 0.5? That's gonna turn it off as well, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, that turned it off as well. It is a thing I seen a few live streams I watched after the fact. Okay. It is a thing sorted. So I either have these wrong or the false is wrong. So I'm just gonna I always get alligators. Oh shit, well wait, what is that alligator? Okay. For people who don't know, these are called alligators for some reason. I don't know what the fuck these are actually called. Actually? That's great English. Okay, so now it should stay. It should go false because I'm pretty much sneaking. Well, the game thinks I am sneaking at this moment, so it should stay. It should stay false. And it didn't. Why? Maybe because I fucking swapped these like fucking 10 minutes ago and forgot all about it. This is the fun of game making. Do you have hello neighbor? How you doing? Alright. I see we're doing this all over again. He never said who's there. Oof, Flan, knock knock. What? Guess who's there? Type shit. Knock knock, who's there? Okay, so now it should. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we have it working. I don't know why it didn't do that the first time, because that's what I had it set as the first time. But she still is following me, which I'm finding really confusing. She shouldn't be, because my player location is off. It's dead. She should know where I am. Player location, it's dead. I'm really confused. Flan doesn't worry about knowing English. There's a country named after it and mess up all the time. A pencil. A fucking pencil. I fucking love that in John Wick. Okay. So this is what I have as my... Nope, that's my old AI. This is my new AI. Nice and clean compared to whatever the fuck all this is. But don't worry, it'll be like this eventually when I upgrade it. Okay, so... we want to make the bitch follow me, but only if player location is true. So, if player location is... well, fuck. If player location... never mind, it's pointless. I'm confused. If player location dot set active is true, so if it's in the world, if it's alive, do all of this. Oh yeah, I'm missing the second bracket bitch here, and now I go If it is false, I'm gonna have to make a second location for it to go to. So location, and then just say look location 2. So this is where she will return to if I'm not found. I'll also just make this locations rather than location, or player location 2. So locations. So copy that. Plop this in anywhere that has player location. So here, here, nope. So if it's off, yeah, game object, look at that, yeah, yeah. Okay, I see now why it was messing up on me. This isn't gonna work if I have it there. So if I plop this in here, and also do the same in here. I don't know why I recopied it. I already had it copied, but fuck it. And then swapped this to location. I didn't mean to do that. Location and location. Destiny. That. There we go. I don't need that. I don't think, because we've already got it. But then again, you might. I don't fucking know it. It's Unity. Unity does what it wants. Okay, we got 2 errors. Cannot convert void to bool. So what now? What line is that on Unity? 16, 22, and 22, 22. So right here, the false thing is what's screwing me over. I just fucking closed the stream for a split second there. Sorry about that. Fuck. I have no idea why this is doing it. I have fixed that problem. I came across it earlier. But I cannot remember what script that was in. I believe it's if thing is active in hierarchy, something like that, and then equals false. That might be right, that might be wrong. I really have no idea. I'll just save it. If it's right, I'll just do the same thing for the one above. It might give me an even bigger error now. So, oh, there we go. Okay. Game cannot be assigned to, it's only read only. Alright. Well, that wasn't it then. So, it's just active. Active self, the local saving of games. Wait, this local active. Set active word. Okay, I'm just gonna look this up for 2 seconds. So, look at this. Okay, so Unity if set active. Check whether something is true or false. I already looked these up earlier because I had it. Then go to this. I hate all these because you go to one thing and it tells you to go to another, and then you go to that and it just doesn't fucking explain it to you. So, yes, I finally beat the mods. How you doing, Daddy? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Can you please change your name? I always feel so weird calling you that. So, see, none of that is, like, I'm not doing all of that for one line of shit. It's either you get something that is sending you to another place, or you get something that is so fucking long it doesn't explain it. If it is returns if the object is active in the scene. Okay, wait. So do I just go active in hierarchy and then just do that? That's it? Is that my problem? Was I adding in a true and a false? Sorted. So so now I just get this, but now this is where the real kick in the dick comes up. How do I make it where it's a false? So do I go if it's, oh fuck. Okay, so I go here and then go if not. Nah, see, that's not allowed. Would you prefer white juice provider? No. How do I make if this is not? Okay, so if active in hierarchy is false, how do we do if active? Really, no one's looked this up. Active. Oh my god. Active in hierarchy. I can't even. Thank God someone had looked up hierarchy because I was not able to spell that shit. Not a chance. Is false. How you doing, Luke? Welcome to the stream, buddy. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to make it where the game will find, will look to see if an object is true or false in a game. So by here it goes game object self active equals true, while inactive equals false. What? Okay, so let me try the equals true shit. So if game object dot active self is equals true. If equals true, then go there, and if it's equals false, go here. After this, I'll animate the closet, so you can go into the closet or the cupboard type thing and hide from the monster. So if this works, we are sorted. We are gold. Once you see that little shit freeze on the bottom of the screen right behind my head, you know you fixed it. It just takes Unity that few seconds to realize you have fixed it. So now we have the second location that we can add into the bitch. So okay, we need to click the bitch and the other bitch right beside her, so both of them find the location. I will add in an empty game object and just have it right here. Why choose provided? Really really bitch. What the fuck. Alright, as do. But again, if you guys do enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. I was meant to say that earlier. Too late. Aim to join one of your streams in ages. I remember your image from somewhere. I try my best to remember people's images rather than names. Because names, people could have... There could be 20 Lukes. There could be 20 Anthonys. Actually, we got 2 Anthonys the other day. Anthony! We got another Anthony, finally. But, yeah, it's hard as fuck to remember everyone's shits. Especially now that I'm at 3.5k. I went up 100 subscribers in like 5 days. I'm so happy about that. Okay, for some reason one of them's going for me. Okay, the bitch is... why did the bitch... Why did this one go for me, but the other one didn't? What's so different? Oh shit, I'm clicking the wrong thing. What's so different about her? I know she doesn't have neck. Neck. Yeah, that's definitely how you spell neck, Flan, you fucking idiot. Neck. Just make sure it's actually her neck and not someone else's neck. Another Anthony. Damn. Yeah, no, we've never had another Anthony before. The first one I joined was with Modern Warfare 2 on PS3 a few months. The one where I accidentally broke my controller. I dropped it as a joke and it just decided to crack open. I was like, oh yeah, it was actually so salty over that. See, why is this bitch coming for me? She shouldn't. There's no difference between these as far as I can see. Player location. Okay. I stand corrected. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. So now both of them should go and hide in this little corner. Lol, I'm about 10 of those. Okay, so both of them are going right here. Sorted. So they don't have any interest in me right now. I could walk up, smack the bitch with my dick and walk away. She does not care right now because that's what my code is telling her to go to. So now I need to make it that where I move, the noise starts to rise and go up and down. So okay, so here I need to go I'm gonna have to do a lot of fucking code for this. Not a lot of code, but a lot of the same code just duplicated with swap a letter. So if input dot get key. That's dot get key. Now if you get that key at all, now if you get that key code dot w. So if you move in any way, shape, or form, noise, I'm gonna 0.7. Noise is plus equal to, no, not plus equal to, noise is equal to 0.7 F. So it's not loud. It won't find you if you just walk. And now I also want to do, on top of all this, if input dot get key. I could have just copied all this, to be honest. Yeah, you know what, I'm actually just gonna do that. 1 second, Luke, I saw your comment as well, buddy. If you press C, noise is equal to noise divided by 2. So your shit is halved divided by 2F. So now let me test that real quick. The last one I watched was you doing a 12-hour stream on the For Honor beta. I don't think I done a 12-hour stream on For Honor. Did I? I do not think I done that. Unless I have a sneaky twin that I did not know about that secretly plays For Honor. Okay, so as you can see, it's 0.5. I also need to do, if no button is pressed, it's 0. So if if input dot any key down, right, any key, can you do any key up? If input dot any key noise is 0, noise is equal to 0 F. So if any key, can I do this? If input is not any key, alright, it's not saying no. Okay, so as you might be able to see, I don't know if you can, but right here, that is set to 0.5, my sneak, or my noise. So if I press play, it should instantly go to 0, because I'm not pressing any buttons, which it did. Now if I press W to move, it should get set to 0.7, and if I crouch while walking, if I crouch and walk, it doesn't cut it in half. I do not know why. Okay, I know. See, I'm telling it to make it equal to 7 no matter what, and then this I'm telling it it's equal to, it's half of half of itself. So how am I gonna tell it to be itself and divide itself at the same time? You know what, I could technically just do this and make 2 noises, noise 2, and then just go noise is equal to noise 2 divided by 2, and then noise is equal to noise divided by noise 2. Okay, so noise is equal to noise 2 divided by itself when you're crouched, and this is it multiplied by itself. Okay, that seems to work for me. Don't know if it'll work for you, but it'll work for me. So Now I should set this to 0, or not 0, 2, my bad. So give me 2 seconds until Unity fucking realizes I'm doing this shit. Okay, so now when I walk, hopefully it should be set to... Oh fuck, this might... What's this gonna get set to? Yeah, okay, that is a problem, Flan. Oh shit. When you crouch, she instantly finds you. It's doing the opposite of what I wanted to. Look, when I crouch and it's meant to hide me, the game's like, oh, found you, bitch. Stand up. Nope, my bad. Wrong house. Okay, so it's doing the opposite. So when you're pressing W, I don't know why though. Noise is equal to noise 2 divided by 2. Wait. Noise divided by noise 2. Noise is equal to... My brain is crippled right now. Fuck it, it should work anyway. Lol, insta killed yourself there, Flan. Yeah, I know. Bitch was like, there he is. I heard him crouch. I heard him trying to be a sneaky fuck. So now, if I crouch, okay, nothing is happening, which is completely right for the simple fact of noise itself is 0. We're not telling 0 to be anything. Or no, we're not telling 0. We're not telling noise itself. You can't multiply noise. You can't multiply a 0 by anything because you will still get 0. So now I need to make it. We're back at square one again. Because we're making it. If any button is not pressed, it'll do that. But okay, if I just do this, if I go back to just say 1. If you walk, it knows where you are. I wanted to do it where you can walk and it won't know where you are, but then if you sprinted, it would instantly know. I'll add in sprint now in a minute. So right now it's just if you walk, it'll know where you are. So if I walk, okay, if you notice for that split second I walk, it knows where I am. So if I walk, do 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 do. Jumping on a bed, jumping on a bed, jumping on a bed. It should know. There we go. And the second I stop walking, it's like, oh shit, you can't follow him anymore. So, and again, it's only when I press W because I only have it set up to W at this moment. What's up, bitch? You're not gonna find me in my closet. Or my fucking... What's it called? Also, I've added 3D sound so when they get closer to you, they get louder. Okay. So, you do go for me, which is good. Which is good. I need to make it that it doesn't instantly turn off. Okay, I shouldn't really have that in it. I didn't mean to get rid of it. I meant to just turn it off. So now if I press it once, it'll know where I am until I hide. So I'll let Unity fix update. And you can actually probably see the little swirly bitch in the bottom of the corner. It's annoying as fuck. Again, guys, thank you very much for watching this. I did ask in the stream if any... Or not the stream, I did ask in... Okay, so now it knows where I am. Oh, what is happening? Look, are you seeing them digits freak the fuck out? That is not meant... Okay, it's not meant to do that. It's not meant to do that. Okay. It eventually somehow resets itself back to like smack dab 0, but Now if I move in any way, it'll know where I am, and then I just crouch, and it goes away. Which I don't want it to do, because it can still see you technically. So now I want to make it where if you're hiding behind like an object or a wall, it'll kind of dampen your noise a little bit. Like if you're face to face with her, she should see it. So I need to add a collision box to her. And also pretty much get the same script, but add some shit to it. So now I'm gonna make it where if you're hiding in something, it won't find you. So let me do void on trigger stay, and do the old collider call. Okay, and now just copy this, and you know what, actually let me do the next part first, and I'll do it. If call dot game object dot tag is equal to hiding. So now I'm gonna have to hidden sounds better, because like I can spell hidden. I hope that's right. Okay, if tag is equal to hidden, and now you have to do the double brackety bitches around it, so Unity doesn't have a fucking aneurysm. So now you just copy this. Well, actually, yeah. Let me finish this. Player location is dot set active is equal to false if you're hiding, and finish that off. So now you copy this and paste it. I saw your comment 1 second there, buddy. And if you set this to exit, you can set this to true. So if you're no longer in this shit, it will. Okay, wait. If you're no longer colliding with it, and if noise is rip. Okay, what one is it? If noise is greater than. I always get my alligators wrong. You need to make it so if you are in her field of view but crouched, it won't work. But if you are hidden behind a wall or an object, like you said, then she can come looking. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do now. So if you're hidden, she will. I can't really explain it. It's just okay. I'll just do this real quick. So this will work, but again, you just need to keep adding on to it to make it work better, which is always the bitch. Where is my alcohol? Is the bigger question, because I'm getting. Oh, we got an error. What error is this? Left hand problem of the bitch on the Cyclops. I already see it, because I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have done equals true and equals false. I should have done bracket equals and bracket false. Bracket equals, bracket false, and bracket true. Okay, so I was meant to do this instead of the equals, which it's really confusing with Unity, because you have equals for if it's a number, you have to do equals if it's a boolean, you have to do bracket equals sometimes if it's another thing, and then you need to do just brackets if it's another. I don't know why you just can't go equals for everything. Like, I know Unity needs to know equals is a boolean, equals is a number, plus equals is adding it on top of itself, negative equals is taking it away from itself. There's too many fucking equals, and you're just like, Unity, please, just fucking learn. Like, I know you're a computer, but learn. I also realized real quick, I didn't make a hidden. I haven't made anything where you can hide in yet, so let me make it where this hallway is pretty fucking dark, by the way. You know what? I'm gonna turn back on the lights in this hallway. I turned them off because it was annoying me, because the game looked shit with them on. But let me turn. Are these in the hallway? Nope, that's in my bedroom. That's your bedroom. I fucking clicked hallway. There we go. Spotlight, spotlight, and spotlight. Turn on all the lights. So now we can actually see a little bit of stuff. Hey YouTube Batman, another Flan stream. Oh, holy. Hello. How you doing, Miles? What's up, buddy? You were here yesterday, I believe. What, wait, yesterday? No, you were here for the Fortnite one. I remember Miles because I remembered it from Tails because that's Tails' name. Miles Tails. I don't know if it's spelled the same way, but so now hidden has been added as an object. So now I click on the locker, add a game object, add a cube to it. There's a small little bitchy cube in the middle that will constantly nag you for, I don't know. I was gonna make a joke, but my brain was just like, nah, it's not gonna be funny. Just give up on it. So now if I make it a trigger, I need the box collider to be true though, and make it hidden. It should not be able to find me if I'm in here. So I also will in a minute make it where you can interact with the door, make the door swing open so you can actually get in it and hide. So let me test it real quick. So I have a few seconds to get to it before the bitch tries to kill me. So as you can see, she's running. So let me, if I can get in here real quick. Will she run away? No, she did not give no fucks. She just continues to stand there. Okay. If trigger hidden, did I spell hidden right or did I spell it wrong? Hidden. Hidden. Wait, would. Where's that cube? Click this. Where's the cube in it? Let me make it like full size just in case my character wasn't hitting it. But how you doing, Weber? So that should, like, it's hidden, Hidden, capital H, that's it. If you're in it, it should be false, so it should turn off. If you're out of it, it should be true, so it's on. Okay, so let me see if it is working. See, it's kind of hard to know if it is working because you kind of need to be able to see the bitch if she's running at you or not. So yeah, they really don't care. I'm good. How you feeling? I'm doing pretty well. Thank you very much for asking. I need to know where's player. Play. Oh my god, I opened up so many wrong things there. Player location is set to true. Okay, it does not give a fuck. If I walk out of it, it is still true on regardless. Okay. I really have no idea why this isn't working. I've spelt on trigger right with a capital O, capital everything if called up. I really have no idea why. Wait. That ends there and this ends on the bottom. Yeah. What? How you doing, Ellie Ken? Welcome to the stream. Or Ellie Keen, probably. I said that completely wrong. On trigger... Wait a minute. One Splatoony. Do I have a rigid body on my character? I do. That's even not making me more confused because that would have been the only shit if it wasn't a rigid body colliding with it. Let me just retype the first line just in case I did spell something wrong. Void on trigger stay. Okay, I already know it's right here. I didn't do a T, so trigger stay. And then the double bitch, and then that. And then you go back here and you go collider. Collider is a collider? Yeah, it's collider because you're not doing that. And then call. I have no idea if that was the same as what I just did, but hopefully it'll fix it. I'll play your game. How much money and when coming out and what it called. Right now I don't know what it's called. That's why I have it in the title, like in this stream working title. Because I actually don't know what I call it. I want to call it Doorway to Mystery, because that's kind of like what the whole gist of the game is. You go in one door, and when you go in, it's your bedroom. You walk out, you come back in, and you're in a different place. Like you could be in. I don't want to give away too much shit, but like you're gonna end up being in like hospitals, and you guys already know like the playground and shit like that. like I've already modeled the bedroom right here. It's the room you start in. I already have the staircase, which is here. I'm gonna probably try fix that up a little bit. It's messing with me because the this floor is the steps, and it's not meant to be. It's being a bitch. I also have the hospital, the what the fuck, the hospital hallway right here, which actually looks pretty fucking slick, and the swimming place, which is in here, but I have it turned off. Where is the swimming pool? There we go, swimming pool, turn that on, and there we go, I have a swimming pool place, but it's like, it's inside the other building, that's why I have it turned off. But yeah, so like I have some places done. I already have, and I also have the beginning cutscene for the game slightly done. If I go scene and car scene, save this, give it a second to load because there is a lot of shit in this. I liked the video. Thank you very much, Miles. Mean a lot, buddy. As you can see, it is a lot of trees. You wouldn't think there's much to render, but there is a lot. And I also made myself a little crappy car. This isn't as dark as it will be. It's just taking a second for it to render all of the trees and all the lighting and how many times it bounces off a tree and hits the branches. As you can see there, it just got a smidge brighter. So I'm gonna tweet out the video. Thank you very much, Weber. Means a lot, buddy. So as you can see, I don't think we could even see the road there 2 seconds ago, but if you press play, this is what I have so far of the cutscene. It's not 100% finished. I want to add in voice lines and shit. This might be loud, so watch out. Like you can see smoke and mist and going through like a little valley thing. And you can look around. It's like a full 3D thing. You can dick around while the cutscene's going on. And the bitch from earlier that you see in the hospital trying to kill it, is trying to wave you down, and you go to stop and she disappears. I'm gonna make it, and you're blocked off here. I'm gonna make it where something different happens. Like I just have it as that for right now, just as like the test to see if all the sounds and the animations and all work. But I will make it where it'll be a lot better. And also again, keep in mind the scene I'm in, not right now, but the scene I was in with the woman chase me is the testing scene. So hopefully I will make the graphics look a little bit better. I'll flesh it out a little bit more, because if I'm asking you guys to pay for it, it better be decent. Not good, but decent. So now I'm trying to figure out still why this shit isn't working. On trigger stay. Okay, yeah. I was gonna say the reason it isn't working is because it's on my character, but that would be is this website or a mob? The what? What do you mean by what do you mean by that, Miles? I'm trying to figure out why this isn't working, because player location should... Oh my god, why is it laggy so much now? Open the door. I can hear them. Oh wait. She's going away. This one isn't. But she's... Did that work? Wait, what? Why is it working now when it wasn't 2 seconds ago? I knew that script was working fine. Okay, this is... How you doing this? I'm doing this in Unity. It's a free program if anyone does want to get it. So player location, game object 2, which I actually should probably change to location. Just to location 2. Just to make it a little bit more easier. So player location is player location, location is location 2, head is neck, and agent is agent. Why didn't it work for her though? Like she was seeing through my deception. She was like, no, I fucking know you're in that box. I saw you walk in, motherfucker. Like she did not give a shit. Open the door. Oh my god, game. Don't fuck with me. She doesn't care. She doesn't give a fuck. Wait. Why isn't it working for her, but it's working for the other one? I'm really confused. You know what? I'm just gonna turn off the invisible girl. Because she's just... Whoa. What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that purple? Purple's bad. You do not want purple in your game. What is that? What is this? Can I click it, please? What is that? It's not letting me click it. You can't see it in the game, so I'll leave it for now. I don't know how it works, but it's basically you make games in it. Unity, it's very easy to understand. It's just the coding part of it that's a bitch. Like I learned some new shit today that I didn't even know was a thing, and it was whereas angular or Enler angles. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Hopefully you guys can see it. Oh my god, I can zoom in so much more. I wasn't doing that earlier. But that shit is just unfucking believable how handy that is. I can actually do this. Hopefully this will work. Let me test it. So, let me go, if player blah 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 is active, let me go in here and copy this. And paste it below, just so there's two instances of it. And go, enemy's head, isn't it? Enemy head or something. Enemy head is equal to that, and player transform, blah blah blah. Is that gonna just work? Is there nothing else I need to fix? Player transform dot angular the new vector dot blah blah blah. Sure. Let's see if that works. So technically, what I just added right there was she will look. She'll be constantly looking at me. I could, like, you know the chicken thing, the way its head bubbles but its head stays still type thing. She'll be doing that. Her head will stay fixated on me at all times, no matter what. Like, even if I can't see her, she'll be constantly watching me. So let's see if that works. I need to fix that door. Sometimes it doesn't work. Come on. Door. Okay, it didn't work. that's what I was doing earlier. I was trying to see why oh, okay, yeah, I should be doing that. Okay. So if I go if I go enemy's head, that's okay. Enemy head, not zero, fucking keyboard dot transform dot angular. So now it's looking for the head transform dot look at the player location, which is my transform. Enemy dot and then maybe I'll try it again. I'll try it now, and if it doesn't work, I'll add it in the enemy's head into that line too. It might give me an error because I'm adding in an angular angle or whatever the fuck it's called on top of one of another. I don't know if that makes it a Cortonian. There's shit that I don't even understand, guys. Like it's, and there's sometimes you find something and you're like, oh my god, where was this like 7 years ago? Not really like 7 years ago, but like, where was this when I needed it? Her head's broken again. But look, her head will constantly stay at that angle, trying to follow me. Like, it doesn't really work because her body's doing the same thing, but is the stream going to be long? I really have no idea, buddy. Like, I've been streaming for like 40 minutes, I'd say now. 54 minutes already. Fuck, I've got nothing done in that time besides half of a fucking sneak system. So now if I go into this enemy, okay, let me just go over here and just copy this. Malls, I've no idea how long it's gonna be. Like, if I'll stream, it's gonna be like 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours, but I don't know. Like, if I keep getting shit done, I'll continue to stream. If I keep getting stuck at random stupid bits, I'll be like, ah, fuck, I'm not really getting much done. But like, in a few minutes, I'll go and model. I'll maybe bring in the gun model or something. Or I'll probably make it where blood splatters on your screen when you're hit. Okay, this isn't working, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. From here to here, nope. from here to here. Delete that and then save. Okay. If I was doing this, I would do shit myself. I would have shit myself. See, the thing is, I'm not, like, I haven't played many horror games, so I don't know what the normal thing is that people like in horror games. That's why, like, I keep asking you guys. I want to play a horror game or two myself, but I don't know any that are kind of like the thing I want to play. Like, I don't want to play one that's just constant jump scares, so let me make an animation for the locker. Locker open. So that way I know what the fuck it's called. Locker open. Okay, so now this door will just pretty much click a button, go over to here, and swing it open. Simple as that. So that's the animation opening. That's the locker. Bloop. And now we just copy this. Go down here, new clip, and locker close. And now we just paste it. Paste. I need to click in it first. Paste. And then we just copy this, bring it over here, copy that, bring it down here, and then bring this over to here. Flan, do you have 7-Eleven in Ireland? I have no idea what that is. Are you going to play Fortnite after this stream? Probably not, buddy. I don't know. Wait, why is there a small, tiny little box within that box? What was that other... Wait, what? Did you guys see that? There shouldn't be two boxes in it. I only have one collider. What's this? Is this the actual... Yeah, that's the actual locker itself. So that should be a mesh collider. And this should be a box collider because it's a fairly simple shape. I butched that word. Wait. The gas station convenience store. 154844446. I butchered the word convenience. I was inviting you when you were playing Overwatch. So that was you sending them all them messages. God damn it. Just a heads up, buddy, if I'm playing a game that isn't the game you're playing and you constantly keep sending me messages, like, it is annoying. So just kind of, like, it's okay if you send me one or two, but, like, I got, like, fucking 50 invites now. It's just like, what the fuck? Like, it gets to the point where it annoys me and people in the stream, so I go crazy. However, I think 7-Eleven is in the North America and the Middle East of East Asia. What? I don't even know. So it's like a garage. A garage. A gas station type thing. No, I did not want to do that. Okay, so now I'm technically able to open these. So I want to make this... Fuck. Okay, I need to make a... I need to click the door and give it another box collider. Do that and then do interactive, which should then give me the ability to see my hand when I go near it. And now I need to add open door. Oh fuck, there's a lot of shit here. Animation or animator is that. I don't know what light and sound and nice is. I really have no idea why that's in that. It's adding a lot of extra shit that the computer doesn't need to calculate. Open sound effect for a locker. I don't have one, so. Sorry, I didn't know that you were streaming. It's cool, buddy. Just like, if you don't mind, like, just ask me if I'm streaming. I'll say if I'm streaming, I'll be like, yeah, I'm streaming. If I'm not, I'll be like, sure, I'll fucking pop on and play a game. I'm not really on my Xbox much. I'm normally on my Switch. My Switch is kind of like my chillax system to where I can play games without people being like, what happened in episode 7? We didn't see it. And I'm like,
fuck episode 7. We're on episode 74. I played all that in my spare time. You guys saw none of it. I also killed the main boss off camera. But that's like the type of shit that I don't play games off stream, so it doesn't annoy people. Let's do squeaky closet for open and close. Let's do fuck. Let's fuck. Where 7-Eleven used to be in a few areas in the UK from the 80s till the 90s. Why is it not anymore? No. No. Oh, why is it not anymore? I thought he meant why is it not anymore, like question mark. Because these people were robbing it at this time, so they decided to close it. Why is it not there anymore? No, like I see both ways now, yeah. See, my English is good, but it's also shit. Okay, so audio source. We have to add an audio. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, Flan, you fucking idiot. Shit. Wait. I might not be an idiot. I might have been doing it right the whole time. I don't know. But let's see if I am a fucking idiot or if I am actually somewhat smart. So now I need to go in and add idle to this. So door idle, which I didn't want it to do that. I wanted to do fuck. Let me add door idle. There we go. So door idle will be its default. And now we want it to be able to open, so make a transition to make it to open. And we want it to be able to close and open again. Normally I would connect all these and make like 20 different pathways, but I figured out you do not need to do that because it doesn't ever go back to the idle cycle. So you are sorted. Let's fuck Flan. I'm flattered, but I'm straight, mate. Bullshit. You know you need that dick. It's only on the weekends though. So you're safe. Oh shit, it's a weekend. You're fucked, whoever. How you doing, Derek? How you doing, Trickster? Don't tempt it. Wait, what? Weber, we all know you go gay if Flan offered you a good time. Oh shit, we're getting real now, boy. We're getting into that. Was it no fricks and double dicks? Okay, so if it's closing, it's going to. Oh shit, I done that backwards. I don't know what's gonna happen if I do that. I've never deleted. My computer froze. Okay, we're back. Why can't I delete that? I've never made. Can I not delete this? I didn't want to do that. How do I delete that? Oh, now it just. What? Bitch, I made a parameter, you fuck. What are you talking about? I made play. It's okay when it's in a play way. Okay, so fucking delete this shit. I'll read your comments in 3 minutes, guys. Not really 3 minutes, but like 2 seconds. I just need to make this when this is greater to, or when this is equals to 2, and when this is equals to 1. And now we should have a openable door. I'm an expensive hoe. I'm take dinners at least. And Diet Coke and a Big Mac. So now I should be able to open up this. And as you can see, the door freaks the fuck out. And the reason it does that is because we didn't go in and click locker. Where the fuck is locker in this bitch? Locker open. We turn off this and we turn off that. So the game doesn't constantly play the animation until a new animation statement is involved. Okay. So open up the door. Lock here. Open. Thank you. I will hide in here now. Locker! Locker! She still doesn't see me, but still, I want this to actually be able to close. Why isn't it closing though is the question. I don't know why that's not closing. That's a bit weird, to be honest. I'm invisible. Invisible. No, but I'm working for less than a steak.
I'm not working for less than a stick. Oh, I read that backwards. Why doesn't it go to close? Huh. This fucking... Okay, so now we need to go into the animations real quick. And here you want it to... We're in open and you want it to... I fucking knew this would happen. It always happens and it is so annoying. Okay, you know what? Copy this, close it, or fucking remove the bitch. Go up here, paste the bitch here. Merry Christmas. Fucking add an animator to this animator. Same component. You know what? Fucking. Wait, what? Oh, it already had an animator. Wait. Since when? When did I give you that privilege? And now if I click this shit, it should show up this shit. So now it should come up door open. And if we go into door close, or locker close, we should be able to click here and go locker close. And is this keeping the same code? Hopefully. That sounds, I'll be back to your stream soon. Still, later, Weber. I gotta go. Okay, see you later, Weber. Okay, so now hopefully this still... Okay, so I was kind of... Oh, fuck, she was right up in my dick. Okay, so we kind of have two problems right now. One, we can't get the shit to work. And two, we can't get the shit to work. So, first things first. We need to make this a... We need to give it a box collider so we can interact with it. So, box collider. Where's the box collider? It is smack dab in the middle of it. So we need to scale it up. Scale it up a little bit, and not that much. You don't want to be hitting it through the floor. Fucking stomach. And now just set that to interactive. Fucking hell, my stomach has scoliosis. Also, I really need to run bathroom in 2 seconds, guys. I'm sorry. I have a massive piss. I know someone could easily swap out that and go, I have a massive erection. But, yeah. Okay, so this should open. There we go. I can hide in this shit, and now... Oh, I didn't set it to trigger. Oh, trigger. Okay, so I'm just gonna run back to him real quick. Guys, I really need to go. I'm so sorry about this for the people who are still in the stream. I'll be back in 2 seconds. My fucking bladder is in bits. Also, I'm moving this bottle of fucking 7-Up just in case I knock it over and burn my house down. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Oh. How you doing, Sketches? How you doing, Trickster Cat? Did you not join in like 2 seconds ago? I thought I saw you comment in there 2 seconds ago. But now hopefully we should have the door being able to open and close. Did my green screen fall a little bit? I think it did. I was watching Naruto. Fucking love Naruto. Okay, so... Okay, there she is. Open up the shit. Open up the fucking door. Open up the door. Okay. So if I just keep spamming W, will she find me, or... Also, I don't know why my flashlight is turning on and off repeatedly. I'm actually going to click on here and open up this and just see why. Why is... This isn't turning off, but she thinks it is. I was saying how to sketches. Oh, okay. Like, she's running away, but... Flan, put my song in as an Easter egg. What's your song? If you send it to me, I'll have a listen. And the stream can listen to it too real quick. See, I don't want her to instantly run away. I want her to, like, go to that position, look around, and then be like, huh, he's not here, and then go. So let me try to figure out how to do that. So I want to make her go to the last position where she saw me. So... if it's false, she's instantly gonna run away. I don't want her to do that. Okay, let me do locations and then do this in a bracket. The other bracket. Also was meant to do that here. Instead of, I always do that wrong by mistake. Okay, so now I will also do, I need to do something where every few seconds it'll pick a new location for... okay, let me do if game object dot transform dot position is equal to... okay, and I also want to do location. Okay. It's an anime song, isn't it, Sketches? What was that, Sketches? I'm highly confused. But if game.transform.position is equal to also let me do this, is equal to location dot transform dot position. I don't know if you can do this, but if it's if its location is equal to another's location, location is equal to locations location, god damn it, Unity, locations dot random dot lent. There's something to do with dot lent. That was a confusing video you uploaded, Sketches. I actually can't believe you uploaded it. That's why I was like, wait, what? Okay, so let me go Unity if transform is same as another's same as others. Okay, so if equals equals. See, again, equals equals is only if it's a boolean, but now apparently it's for transforms too. So now I know it's that. And now I need to look up if it's an array. So if random game object from array. This vid was interesting, or that vid was interesting. Choose random game object from array. Can't really explain how it is confusing. It is just confusing. Okay, so we have spawn points, current point, and index. No idea what the fuck index is. But spawn points is equal to game object dot find object dot point. Index is equal to random range. Okay, so wait, why isn't an int? Wait, what? They're doing it weirdly. They're getting a number and then based in is based in a word? They're basing that on like an algorithm number. Why? Like, it works. I understand the logic, so why not? Public int destination. That's probably spelled wrong, knowing me. So shit, what was it? It was they done location is equal to, and then it's normally just random dot range. Index is equal to. Okay, so let me do. Okay, so it's destination. So destination is equal to random dot range. And then in these, you have to give it the two specifications, which in this case is 0. Oh, between between 0 and locations dot length. I told you there was a length in there before I started. I knew there was a length. And then we go fuck. I spelled destination right. What? I'm having a celebratory drink for that. I'm never gonna be able to spell celebratory. I can barely pronounce the shit. My ice is pretty much gone. But have you guys seen the Kabuto video I put up? Just out of curiosity. And now it is a current position, which is location, is equal to spawn point index. Okay, so he spelled I think right. Oh, fuck you, sketches. I've already forgot it. Okay, so current point, which is my location. So location is equal to. Did they do equal to? Yeah. Is equal to locations. And then in that, I don't think they done double brackets. They done the ugly square bitches, didn't they? Yeah, they done the square bitches. Square bitches. Nope. Other square bitches. And then they done destinations. Not Dexter. Destination. Destination unknown. Okay, so if I don't get 82 errors, that should have worked. So now we should have a patrolling enemy system now. So now the enemy should be able to walk up and down the corridor without us being involved. So the only problem is I might have made it where she'll break instantly once we hide. So like she'll be able to see us fine, but the second we're out of her sight she might just be like and instantly freeze. So excuse me again, but it's not letting me click her. There we go. Okay, so locations, and location is gonna have to be picked at random right off the bat. So location is equal to that on start. So it gives her a beginning location to run to. 9 days to go till what? Fucking Sea of Thieves, Ocean of Thieves, whatever the fuck the thing is. Sketches doesn't shit up about. Sea of Thieves, that shit. Okay, So I need to find. Okay, location 2 is way over here for some reason, and I have no idea why. So let me just plop that decently on the hallway. So about there. And I'm also going to make a empty. Just call this locations. And drag location 2 in here. Change location 2 to location and then duplicate it. So then this one becomes location 2. Drag that about here. You know what? I'll line them up at each door just to see if it works decent. This is that door. I think I have like 5 doors, so there's going to be 5 locations it could possibly go to. Was that right? Is it 5 doors? Nah, 4. Fuck. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's 5. What did I miss? I missed the one she's at, did I? No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I forgot the first one doesn't have the name, the dash. Yeah, so yeah, 5. Okay, so I need to go to the bitch now again. Click her real quick. Command and drag in. I just got. Thank you very much, Rez. Means a lot, buddy. Why are so many people donating recently? I've got a donation every day for like the last 4 or 5 days. It's actually so cool. Thank you guys so fucking much, seriously. Like, I'm going to drink alcohol for 2 seconds. But I keep getting donations and I feel bad because people are giving me donations and I'm doing these like stupid videos. But at the same time, like, people like them, so Flan's getting rich. Flan's getting YouTube money. So now if I click here and minimize this, it should randomly pick a location. So let's see where she starts to go first. If I don't move, she should just patrol this hallway real quick. So let's see if she does. So location 1. Ooh, okay, that kind of, you didn't want it to be location 1. Yeah, okay, I don't want it to be location 1, and also this is really annoying me, this green screen slightly sticking out. I'm actually happy I fixed the, I changed the donation button today, so it wasn't a stupid little zombie popping up. So I'll spend more time fixing it up and actually making it like cool and type shit. I might add in the voice thing, where when someone donates, it'll actually say their what's it called? Their message type thing. Rexy, people get mods for just kind of like showing up and being here all the time. I was gonna say earlier in this stream, I am gonna be removing some people's mods, just not like sketches and like Weber and shit like that. And I almost said Anthony. I thought Anthony was a mod until I looked at his name. I don't know why Anthony isn't a mod. Anthony is here more than everyone. Anthony is like the only person that is here every single stream. But yeah, you gotta be here forever. I am a year and been in the stream a lot. Or you can buy it. No, you can't buy it, Sketches. You can't buy respect. It's not respect, it's trust. Like I trust the people who I've given it to for the simple fact of, like, they've been here. They're gonna they show up all the time. They're not being dicks. Lol, nope, I am not a mod. Never been one. I could have swore you were a mod, and I don't know why. Also, I realized why this isn't working. I was meant to do this and then plop this here and go skaloop. So it randomly... I didn't do that. And then randomly picked one. Some weird ass fluff shit at the end of my drink. So now she should randomly... Oh, I don't know. I thought I pressed play. So now we should randomly pick one for her. Okay, so number 4. Okay, so if I press double F, zoom out a little bit, and then resume, it should follow her in the game. So she's going to number 4. Boom. Give him my mod. Give him my man. I don't know why it's not letting, or why this isn't working. Like, people said. Oh wait, I opened up the wrong shit there. What was I looking at again? Oh, I just need to press back and then here. So this is what people are saying. If hand target that transformed our position is that return equals true exactly. Thank you, sir. So that worked. Nope, never has. Don't think I ever asked or was interested to be in one. Match position of two game objects without one of the. Too much reading. I don't know what to look up for this. Like, that should work. If hand target, which is my locations that transformed that position, is equal to no, if game object is equal to that, and then wait a sec. Yeah, if game object is equal to location dot transform. Location is equal to locations dot destiny. Yeah. I don't know. Flan gave him my mod. The only way around this is if I add a box colliders to it, so when it hits it, it knows it's hit it, but it could walk through one accidentally, get into another, and turn it off. So right there, it's gone to number 3. So it should stop now. See, like, I can go in here and go 4 or 5. So, okay, I've moved, so it's instantly gone looking for me. I need to fix that when I crouch. It instantly makes me invisible. This is a bit oh, she's getting smarter. I can move now. Oh shit, boy! She's fucking hellbending me. She's gotten faster. I don't know how. Oh yeah, I'm not sprinting. That's why. And then crouch, and now she'll go wandering off then to her location. Okay, so it is working, but it's just not finding that she's connecting with her newest position. Okay, so I need to crop a pirate hat to my stolen profile pic. Do you want me to do it? I'll do it right now. What a moat. 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 I'm trying to figure out what image is yours with headset. I really need to go back and watch this porn. This porn. Yep, I really need to go back and watch this porn. This anime, because I was gonna say this anime because it's like porn. Headset. Do it. Just constantly getting messages. Every time I scroll, I see it scroll in the stream, and it confuses me. If I can get the exact image sketches, I'll do it. I'm still confused over the exact. Or what did I said? I need to watch this porn again. Oh my god, I'm a fucking idiot. I keep seeing this shit scroll and I keep looking over. Okay, so I need to make it where it will somehow find its own location based on... See, you could do it where you need to find its own location based on how close it is to the other location you're going to, and then based on that you can make it deduct the distance, and then that distance, once it's equal to 0, make that distance, or make it find a new location once the distance is 0. Wait a second. I know why it's not working. I know exactly why it's not working. And I'm kind of fucked. How you doing, MRG? I literally just figured out why. I have its stopping distance at 0. Stopping distance. If I set that to 0, she will constantly because she's stopping right before she hits it exactly. So now she should just continue. So number 1, she found number 1. She rotated. I don't know why she rotated. Let me hide. I don't know why she rotated. That was a little bit peculiar, if I knew what that word meant. So I would have thought that would have been it. Okay, she's going for number 1 again. Why is she rotating? I don't understand. Okay, so as far as I can see, that is not the problem, which I'm kind of happy with. But at the same time, it should be... Wait... She's gonna go to location in here, but she's instantly stopping. Well, got to go by. Alright, see you later. I left. Have you finished that locker? Yeah, I have, Miles. I'm working on now where she will randomly patrol the world looking for it when you're hiding, and then when she finds you, she'll run at you. So you can go into the locker now real quick. Let me show you. Open!
Open yourself a bitch. Oh.
Haha, I gotcha. See, this is what would happen. She's just gonna freak out and not know what to do. You don't know what to do, do you, you dumb bitch? Oh, wait, what? What the fuck? Blurp. Flying us into a gate. I don't get that reference, but okay. I don't know why she stopped. Her location is number 4. Okay, I need to make the collision in this a little bit smaller because you can hide in that and not get seen so easily. So, yeah, I'm opening up the girl by mistake. Okay, so let me click this and shrink the box to about half, about there. So you actually have to be standing in it. I also might make it that it'll close automatically once you're in it. So let me is that Bendy? I almost said Bendy and the Blind Forest. What is that? That's Bendy and the Ink Machine. I know that, but Blind Forest, what's... I put like 2 or 3 games together there. Oh no, I'm dead. No, I'm invisible apparently. Can't catch me, bitch. I'm the fucking gingerbread man. Okay, so let me try. Remember that fish game you made? Yeah, no, I need to put that up on Game Jolt. Me and Eve made it in like 3 days. Okay, so now I need to make it where she will see if player is false. She goes to location, but her face looks like Taylor Swift.
Wait. Give me 2 seconds. How do I... Okay, let me just teleport to her real quick. Blip.
Click her hair. Can I game? Let me change her hair to blonde for the laugh.
It won't let me. Fuck's sake.
I think I can change her clothes. Wait, people. Puppy. People's models, textures, wig color. I will make a copy I didn't mean to click the original. Close that. I will do this, which has now made a duplicate of it. Hopefully there we go. Thank you so much for actually understanding for once. And now go into GIMP. Who here plays Splatoon 2? If you do, have you seen the new DLC? I actually want to get Splatoon 2. I was thinking about getting it the other day, because I haven't played any Splatoon games. Okay, so now if I go in here, just add this, go here, plop in a blonde color about that blondish, and click the bucket, bloop. And now let's see which blonde looks the best. Never heard of the game sketches. Oh fuck, that would be demonic hair. It's kind of greeny. That looks kind of blondish. Both of them look pretty good. That one looks really good. That one looks good, but a little bit too bright. I think this one here looks the best. So let me save that off. 100% quality. And now let me go into Unity. Unity is gonna freak out now because it doesn't know what to do. If I click the bitch's hair, and can I drag this just onto her head? I can. Okay, now she has blonde hair. Boom. Taylor Swift up in the house. I need to make her hair back black. Back black. Jack Black and a black Jack Black. There we go. I can do the same with her clothes. I can make her clothes random colors. I can actually remove some of her clothes and make whole titties pop out. Not really, but I wish I could. But I can remove like her hair. I can make her bald if I want. I just click the hair and go bloop. I can also get rid of her eyes, bloop, which actually doesn't make a difference because her eyes are black, but it is pretty cool. I can make her eyes red as well if people wanted, but I can get rid of her teeth. Yeah, she does have teeth. Wait, what the fuck? Why is it all the way down there? I don't know. But let's make her fucking hair back on. There we go. Make her eyelashes going down and going down overdue. Make her eyelashes go down and going down overdue. I have no idea how to do that. Like the model's already made. Like eyelashes and all that shit are baked into the character. I don't think I can even move her face. If I go into this and make human. There we go. Make human. Ass and titties with ass and titties. Ass, titties, titties, ass and titties. Okay. So this is a normal male buttocks, but that's just a normal male character. You can make it a woman if you wanted with boobs, but I'm going for a man. Age really old, muscle non-existent, weight pretty skinny, not that skinny though. Don't want him looking like fucking Play-Doh. About maybe a little bit skinnier. Nope, not height. Did not mean to change height. A little bit skinnier. Alright. Let's make him fucking Caucasian's white, isn't it? Yeah, let's make him fucking white as balls. Gender, face, torso, all that is normal, fine. Let's give him a fucking fedora because he's a sexy beast. He looks like that fucking baldy guy from Britain's Got Talent. I don't know what his name is. I'm trying to turn off the fedoras. Let's give him a suit. I think I picked men's casual. I was meant to click men's suit. There we go. Let's give him some black shoes. He looking good. He looking sexy. Let's give him hair. So he has some hair. He's not a baldy headed fuck. Hair. Afro. Oh my god, it looks like fucking Nathan's Daft fucking Misfits. If he was like 80 years older. This hair. No. No. It says normally play games and Metal Gear Solid. I think. Oh my god, that looks so stupid, but I feel like it'll suit him so well. I actually never got to play Saints Row 1. Oh my god, that's just fucking splendiferous. That's, oof. He's a beaut. He is beautiful. He looks so fucking stupid. I really like that. I don't know why. I feel like that'll work for him. Teat, yeah, let's give him Teat. Why not? Topology, let's make him a female. Female? If I go to none, yeah, they look pretty good. Eyelashes. Let's give him eyebrows, not eyelashes. Sorry. He doesn't need eyelashes. Eyelashes is extra topology that isn't needed. A tongue is probably needed because he's actually gonna talk and open his mouth and have conversations with us. I want him to be white as fuck, like the oldest, whitest man possible. So this is perfect. Let's just make him. What's the normal one actually I was on? Oh, okay, yeah, that's a lot wider. But at the same time, we're not getting the shadows that we were getting on this one. So let's have a browse. It's a bit too brown on that one. Like, no offense, I'm just like, yeah, kind of looks. Okay, let me swap between this and that. Yeah, I kind of like this one. Kind of looks like a really old He looks like an old as fuck version of Katie Taylor. I didn't even mean that. I'm looking up Katie Taylor now so you guys can fucking see this. Katie Taylor, I love you. You're amazing, but that was not what I meant. Katie Taylor. I don't know why. Kind of, not really. It kind of does. I don't know why. She would punch the head off me, which is worse. And the thing is, she lives like 5 seconds away from my house. Practically neighbors. She could whoop my ass. The whole like Jacksepticeye living next door to me and the Dahi Denogla thing is a joke. But she actually does live next door to me. Well, not literally next door to me, but like I went down to the shop to buy 7-Up and fucking packet of crisps, and she lives like right beside that shop. So she is within like 5 minutes walking distance, about 30-second sprint distance. So yeah, she could whoop my ass if she wanted. I don't know why that just looks so well. I went into male though. I don't know why. Like, what happens if I do make it a woman? Oh my god! Did you see that? What happened to the? Look at the head. Just. Oh my! On your screen it looks normal. On my screen, her head is like alienated. What is happening? Oh my god! Let me, baby. What is this? Oh my god! That's a man apparently. That's a man. Oh my god! What have I created? I am Dr. Baby. Please make your acquaintance. Okay, now it looks like a boy. Now it's a girl. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. The ponytail is really, fucking me over.
I can hear her running. Oh my god, you see that? Wait, look at his face, look at his nose. I'm crippling myself. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I didn't even want to create a character, but sure, fuck it, it's happening now. Oh. Wait. Wait, no. No, did I create it in the wrong program? I think I created it in the wrong program. If we see a random fist hit Flan out of nowhere, we know why. I think I created it with the wrong program. If this starts up and has a picture of an old man, I'm gonna be pissed. Scary girl, doctor. We are safe. We are safe. Well, why does this not have Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, this is right. This is right. Okay, we're safe. We are safe. We're Schmitty Yoger Fracker McJohnson safe right now. Okay. So now we can pose them if we want. I'm happy with just leaving it the way it is. I might change the hair to a different color. Modeling Chipotle. I almost said. I was meant to say typology, but Gypology came in for some reason. Oh, that looks good. So let me save it. Doctor. I don't know. Just model doctor. Oh, that sounds like you're a model doctor. Just doctor. Dr. George. Doctor, okay. So, click. Actually, shit, where's the saving is a different question. Thank God I realized that. Me and her are standing outside behind a wall. Wouldn't be surprised, sketches. The thing is, I love how I'm like, how do you know there's a wall outside? Because I showed my fucking outside my window for like fucking 55 hours. That video is still not rendered, by the way. Unity is still trying to render that 55-hour me having my camera outside the window while the storm was happening. I exported it as the wrong file by mistake because I'm a fucking idiot. It's now the real fun. Can I import this character and its textures will still be on it? Because Unity has really been screwing me over recently. So now let me look up Doctor. And Doctor, there we go. Dr. Schmurdigan at schmurdiganmordigan.com. Okay, as you can see, no fucking materials. See if I click extract materials. Materials are embedded inside the import asset. It can be assigned below. So can I just go extract materials? Ooh, I can, I believe. If I go player models and then go the fucking doctor materials and then select here. This might work. We might get the doctor to actually work. I don't think it worked because he's still nutting. Okay, so doctor materials. We have the eye. We have that. We have this. We have this. We have that. We have that. We have this. And we have that. I'm really getting pissed off with Unity not letting me actually import characters with their materials. So like I have the doctor here. Now he's just purple. Use embedded. Okay, I literally just have to delete him. Like there's nothing I can do with him. I was lucky to get this bitch with her materials. I after like 17 tries I actually got her. I can't even use facial animations for her. She's just like arms, feet, body, neck, and all that shit. But the doctor that I just imported there, you could model its face, do like facial
like here, if I do just show you like an example real quick, pose, expression, like you can actually go into it and click it and change what it looks like. This is just like examples of what you can do. It's not gonna save it like that. Fucking ugly as shit. But I don't know why it keeps giving me non-textures. Have you rubbish litter floor in your kitchen? Don't you have a bluey or rubbish tilted floor? Don't you have a reddish or a bluey or reddish tiled floor in your kitchen? Obviously. Who else doesn't? Who else doesn't? Who else does? I don't fucking know how to phrase that. Okay, I'm trying to figure out why this isn't working. If any of you guys know any shit with code, please help a motherfucker out. So if it's false, it's gonna go look for somewhere else. Also, I should probably go. That smile you gave that doctor is more freaky than the ghost. I have a ghost? That isn't meant to be a ghost. The weird Grinch thing isn't the ghost. I don't know what it is. I'm just trying to get animations and models to work. I'm gonna change everything later. This is like, these are all like just template things for the moment. But I may have figured out how to fix it. So I need to do public. Oh fuck. Nav. No. Go back. Unity. You fuck. Nav mesh agent. And now go distance. I can go to distance. Okay. So now I go in here before it starts and go distance. Wait. No. Yes. Sex. I don't know. I need to go into it and tell it its stopping distance is equal to 0, so it'll go to its thing. But how do I? Okay, I'm gonna have to do this then and go. I'm gonna have to make a second one, maybe. Or can I literally just do this and go distance dot stopping distance? Oh my god! Sorted is equal to 2f. That's, I love you, Unity. Sometimes you think you're fucked, and then other times Unity just turns around and goes, "Hey, here's my dick. Let's have a good time." Doctor gonna touch you in your sleep. Make Weber the protagonist. John Schmordigan is the protagonist. So now it's looking for distance, and distance is itself. Okay, so now hopefully it should just work. So now it should be set to 0. It's taking a while to load. Okay, distance is 0, so now she should just continuously keep walking. Back up, back and nope. Okay, so if I crouch and uncrouch, she can't find me because I haven't moved yet, technically. So if I move, she found me. If I crouch... Okay, so it does change your stopping distance. Weber is John Schmordigan. What image do I have open? Oh, it's her hair. Thank God. I was hoping it wasn't porn or something. I need to figure out how to make 2 locations the same. I've really no idea. Match position of 2 objects without making one of the child of another object. Okay, what is, like... Look, this makes no sense. Match... Wait, this question was closed, but the following reason the question is answered. Right answer was accepted. That is the first time I've ever seen that. I actually joined this the other day and I gave my help to some guy. But match position of two objects. That's fine. Yeah, I can understand that. Without making one of the child of the other. Okay, that's still kind of understandable. Wait. Oh my god. Yeah, which answer was accepted? The right answer was accepted. Yeah, it'd be good if you told me which one of these four answers was the right answer. Fuck. Player box that transform that translate is equal to transform that position multiplied by time that delta time. It's easy enough. Yeah, that's just telling the shit to continuously keep moving in a certain direction. Easy. Alright. Player box. Yeah. Target. Yeah. Player box that transform that translate that to that. Yeah, that's making the bitch move forward. That's okay, sorted. You could directly set the position to your game object like so. Okay, I'm just gonna try this. Maybe that one guy fucked me over by having it as a double bitch instead of a single bitch. And there we go, there's an error. Unity cannot convert cannot convert a 3D vector to a bool. Is that line 21? Okay, because I was gonna say that really shouldn't be coming up, but what the fuck can I do? My brain is crippled. My brain is crippled on. Wait, I opened up the wrong fucking shit again, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Just use following object that is equal to that transform. If you want to use a more smoother or kind of delay follow, you could use a vector lerp. Lerp. Okay, so following object dot transform is equal to vector tree dot that dot blah blah blah. Oh fucking what? That's a lot of shit. I'll plop it in and see what happens. That sounded sexual. Okay, well, it won't let me. I am confustered. If game object dot position is equal to another object. Okay, what happens if I to get rid of position? If the transform is same to another transform. Fuck position. If it's just on point with it. Is this allowed? Or does it need to be position? Hello? Unity? We are golden, I think. Yeah. I don't know what that error was for, but it's gone. Sorted. Tired, sick, and sweating like a bitch. Yeah, sounds like me sketches. I was sweating like fuck yesterday and the day before, and I have no idea why. I've just been warm the last few days. Okay, I wonder when she gets to destination 2, she'll be like, ah, okay, let me go to destination 1. And see, she doesn't go to it. The reason why she's not going to another one is because it needs to be another. Huh. Okay. I can make a loop around. Very simple. This'll do for the time being. Fuck it. This is the best you're getting off me. Public timer. No, I was going to do public float, and then a timer, and boop, and then we go, we actually just go here, and we go if timer is greater than or equal to 5, do that, and then we go, timer is equal to 0, bada bing, Bada fucking boom. That's one way around it. I don't know how to do the transform, bitch. So I'll do it based on time itself. To be honest, that isn't gonna work either because time itself will not slowly increment. So we need to do timer is plus equals to 0.1 f every frame. So nearly every 5 seconds it'll go to a new location. Maybe 7 seconds. I need to figure out how to do it because once I want to figure out how to, once it's at a new location. See, as you can see, it's now I should find another one. Boom. Now it's gonna find another one. Wait, is she just teleporting, or is she slowly? If this one goes to 4, I'm gonna be annoyed. Okay. So she is patrolling right now. I think I might I have a headache on certain screen and help me. I think I might get. I have a headache and certain screen ain't helping. Okay, so she's randomly patrolling now. Alright guys, have a good night. See you later, Sketches. Thanks for joining. Hope you feel okay tomorrow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the to the head of the character. I'm gonna add a box collider. Let me. Is there no way I can? Really? Fuck. Okay, I'd rather be able to just scale it on the go, but I guess not. Okay, so I want it to be about there, and go on. What's a decent person's like site? Like you want it to be long, but at the same time you don't want it to be fucking super fucking long. Okay, and also maybe make it like a little bit wider and about that, but then nope, wrong button there. And then about, I wanted to go down. Fucking Unity, you're so confusing sometimes. There we go. And now I want to make it where if I collide with it, I'm the new location until I'm no longer in sight. Okay. So I'm gonna leave that in it because I don't remember what that does. So void on trigger enter, not enter, stay. Also, thank you very much, Anthony, for still being here, buddy. And again, sorry I am doing this. I asked if people wanted to watch it in the Cardboard Cell video, and one of you guys said yes. I was like, you know what? Screw it. Like, so now I'm pretty much saying if you come in contact with player, if you come in contact with a tag called player. Why is that? Oh, I didn't do the equals. If you come in contact with a tag, why is it still doing that? Oh, that would make sense. If call.gameObject is equal to player, call.gameObject is equal to location. And then it will go looking for you. Call that game object is equal to location. No, I done that backwards. location is equal to call dot game object dot transform dot position and dot transform dot position. So now it will look for me, or well, once it sees me, it'll run after me, and if on void exit, if I manage to get out of its line of sight, oh, that is why it's giving me that weird error. And now that should fully close. There we go. If we manage to avoid it and exit it, location is equal to location dot delta shit, or fucking destination shit. So you guys can see the amount of stress that goes into fucking making a game. This has just been me trying to get her AI to find me. Okay. So I believe. Oh wait, the thing that I need to make sure is I'm actually titled player. I am. Did I do a capital P? I did. Fucking throat is in bits. Okay. So now what I need to do is run up. Okay, so if I crouch, she'll lose me. Okay, so how I'm pretty much gonna test this is by, yeah, see, if I crouch, it kinda worked, but didn't. She's now patrolling because I'm becoming invisible and not visible, so she's finding herself a new location every time. Oh no, that's because I fucking said the shit to the shit. I forgot I even done that. I'm an idiot. I thought it was working. And I didn't set the fucking face to trigger. She was pushing me instead of colliding with me. So I got hyped as fuck there thinking it was working when my idiot ass forgot he fucking changed the shit. Come on, door, open for me. There you go. So now if I crouch real quick, I want her to like to come my way, but okay, here we go. If she sees me, she will chase me. I want her to see me, that's the thing. But I don't want her to see me because I'm running. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna add it into my sneak script here real quick to where my sneak is 0.6 F, and now I'll do if input dot get key rip and here and that and then this, and then just go keycode dot shift left shift noise is multiplied, noise is equal to noise multiplied, yeah, multiplied by noise 2. So now I should be able to walk around freely without her seeing me. See you later, Anthony. I am all alone now. I'm all alone. But yeah, now I'm walking. Hopefully I'm able to walk now without the bitch seeing me until I sprint. Or until I become in her line of sight. So let me test to see if that works. So now if I become in her line of sight, she should want to kill me. Okay, she should have saw me. Okay, now... Oh, does she not... Can she seriously not see me? if on trigger, let me copy this and remove it and put it on top of the actual player itself. My throat is in bits. Paste is new and move the Z forward and the Y. That was the wrong one. And the Y up. Maybe make it a little bit thinner. About that. That's average ish. And move it a little bit thinner and a little bit more there. Okay. See, that's the only way I can get her attention, if I run now. See, I now need to get out of her line of sight and crouch. Oh, wait. Wait. I'm really confused. So is she going? Okay, is she going for me now, or... Okay, I'm the enemy now. So if I run away real quick and hide. Okay, she loses sight of me for like a split second. And now she's trying to find the a new location. It keeps giving her location 1, so she's kind of getting stuck. Okay, give her location 4. She's still stuck. Oh, there we go. I don't know. I don't like the way I can run and then instantly let go of shift and she forgets where I am. See, I could do it where it's noise plus equals 0.2 F, and this is fucking 0.1 F. What the fuck are you doing, Unity? Come on. Welcome back, Malls, by the way. You're getting low viewers. I say stop stream and do it tomorrow. Miles, this is actually a normal amount of viewers. I normally only get like 4 or 5 viewers. Like, I honestly, buddy, get fuck all. The last few days have just been really good. And I kind of agree with you. I'm going to continue streaming for about 5-10 minutes until the rest of my drink is gone that I bought for this stream. So I'll knock, well, I won't knock it back, but I'll try finish this bit of script here and see what the fuck is going on. Oh, wait. When you crouch, you want it to minus. But at the same time, okay, you kind of wanted to do 0.05, not 0.0. It's 2 with me. Yeah. And the worst thing is, I count as a person, so it's 1 with you. Same as always, Miles. Like, I don't know why. Anytime I want to do something interesting that I actually like, I get fuck all viewers. But anytime I play a game that is like, I'm like, I don't really want to play. people fucking join constantly, and you do not fucking, like, so many people join in, but it's the second that I'm playing a game that I actually want to play, no one joins in, and it's actually so annoying. Okay, I need to make it a little bit less than that, because she instantly fucking finds me. So let's do 0.01, and when you sprint, noise is equal to noise multiplied by 2. No, noise is equal to noise plus equals to 0.02 f. So she won't find you instantly, but if you run around long enough, she will find you. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some of my... Okay, so she should be able to... Yeah, she sees me! But she was pulled... Ah, okay, okay. I see what's going on now. Fucking shit. Okay. So we also need to do if player... No, not player press. Player location. Why isn't it coming up player location? Player location. There we go. Player location. We need to do the if player location dot self thing is this, so we just copy this and plop it in here. So if player thing is true, yeah, and then this in this I do false. Does that work? So if I am false, if I'm hiding and you are not colliding with the player, run away or just start looking for me somewhere else. But if I am in the world and you are colliding with me, I'm the person. Okay. Wait, I think I got an error right away there. Cannot convert that to string. So line 55 ting 8. 50. Ah, okay. So. Okay. So. Okay. So let me just delete this real quick. So let me get rid of that. So if you're not colliding with the player, go somewhere else. That's simple enough. I should have this here. If the player is false, if you're not looking for the player, do this. So I can't watch. I know, buddy. I'm sorry. It's a fairly shit video. Thanks for saying as long as you did. I do try to make these enjoyable, but when I get stuck on, excuse me, when I get stuck on stupid shit, there's not really much I can do. Okay, so she sees me because I was pressing crouch. The second I duck, or I was sprinting, but I'm really confused to why. If I am false, timer, go looking somewhere else. If I'm true, go looking for me. Why isn't she just looking for me right away? Because it is enjoy, but I have to go bed soon. It's alright, buddy. I'll catch you later, man. Thanks for joining. I'll try play, Oh, what the fuck is happening here? I'll try to play Fortnite or Overwatch with you soon, buddy. If I have the time. Hey, she walks past me. You should see me. You should be going for me. Why is she automatically looking for other places? Because it's false. Derp. Okay. But I don't want to be if it's true either. I kind of want to. I really, yeah. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'll come back to this tomorrow and I'll dick around with it and try fix it. Thank you guys so much for everyone who watched the video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. So in this video we added the character with a bit of AI. We have now like a hiding spot. I feel bad trying to leave it, buddy. I'm ending it too. There's no one here watching it. You have a valid point. There's no point doing a video when no one's fucking watching. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, shit like that. I've been streaming for how fucking long? I don't know, way too long. Fucking 2 hours and 20 minutes. That actually isn't that bad, which is worse. There should be loads more people here, but no one's fucking here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. I'll try fix all of these errors tomorrow in my spare time, and when Neve comes up, I'll try get Neve to do some voice acting, so we can get the cutscene done or the trailer done, so I can show you guys what I want the game to look like, and I'll hopefully try do the Kickstarter and get the game made. So thank you guys so much. Please give it a thumbs up, shit like that, and I hope to see you guys in another video. Some weird shit on this glass. Real fucking soon. Bye. I want to knock this back for the sake of the video. But I was gonna say, but I don't have anything else to drink. Have a fucking bottle of Club Orange. Two or three drops try to fucking escape, the little sneaky fucks. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. And thank you very much, Rexy, for donating €1, buddy. Really does mean a lot. Bye! If any of you guys, real quick, have any ideas for the game, post them in the comments so I have an idea of what you want to see. I'll try animate a gun into it so you can fight off the monsters. Lol, don't get drunk. Sadly, buddy, like, I can get drunk, but I can't get smashed. I've drank. I have like this much left of the bottle, and I started like at the beginning of this stream. I drank about the same amount that I would I drank about the same amount that I would do in a Fortnite stream, and I feel fine. The only difference is in a Fortnite stream, I would probably drink it slower, so my body has longer time to absorb it. But right now, I've knocked it back, and I feel fine. So my body's backwards. Make a school. That's actually what I was gonna do with the lockers. I was gonna try and make like a school hallway type thing, and have loads of lockers, and have some of them locked, and some of them you can open up, read a book, and like it'll be like, hey, she's behind you, or don't go into class 502, it's meant to be haunted type shit. Like I'm gonna add like a playground, swimming pool. Like I'm gonna make proper areas of it, like a dentist place, surgery, like a surgery room, fucking a basement, maybe even like a little maze or something where you'll get stuck in at one point and shit's chasing you. I'm also gonna make random places that people aren't gonna know about. Every time like you play the game, there'll be like a certain wall that's breakable, that if you break it, you'll get like 4 or 5 extra bullets for your gun, if I do add guns, or a book that'll tell you a map that'll be like, hey, like it's a blueprint of the building, be like, if you take this right instead of this left, it's actually 5 minutes faster. And there's also like a gas leak in the other way that you're slowly getting poisoned or something like that. I just remember now I was actually meant to add blinking into the game, in this stream to make it where every few seconds your eyes actually close and reopen. So like, and when you're panicked and stressed, it'll do it faster. Fuck, I'll do that tomorrow. I'll need to remind myself, or if anyone, if Miles, if you could remind me, buddy. I don't want to put the pressure right on you, but you're the only person in the stream. So Miles, it's up to you, buddy, to remind me, because I know my bitch ass won't remember. Or a police station with guns. See, I don't know if a police station will fit into the game because it's all like hospital based. But then again, like a school doesn't really fit into it either. I don't know how I'm gonna model a police station because I'll need to look at one to get images of it. I don't think you can just look up police station because it's a bit weird looking up police station. But I'm gonna end the video now, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Share with your friend on Facebook and Twitter. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links are in the description below. Thank you guys, and hope to see you guys in another video real fucking soon. Bye.